Hey guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R. Have your S Pen ever got broken off into your phone? Well, if you want to find out how to get that pen out of your phone, just stay tuned. Guys, the other day I was in the kitchen and I dropped my phone, and my phone fell, and the tip of my S Pen broke off but left the rest of the pen in my phone. I was about to call my insurance and send the phone back in, but then I said, what if I can get it out? If you need to get your S Pen out of your phone, then use this. An eyeglass repair kit. You see the small screwdrivers in there? You stick it in your phone, in the middle of that pen. Make sure it's in there. You can even turn it a little bit if you want to make sure it's in there, and pull it out and it'll come straight out. I literally just got this pen out of my phone. Thank you, God. So guys, I hope this helps someone. This is Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, guys. And I'll talk to you later. Mwah!